Hey everybody, Anissa here, and we're going to be doing some Rihanna inspired makeup today. So if you love makeup tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join the tribe where I do post makeup videos, I post wig, I post a lot of stuff. So you're going to enjoy it here, and today we're going to be recreating Rihanna's makeup look that she wore at the Louis Vuitton Spring Summer Men's Collection for 2019 show. So it was super chic. This white eyeliner you can pull off. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. You can do this, and I'm going to show you how right now. So the first thing on the eyes I'm going to start with is my highlighter. I'm just going to sweep this color. This is Golden Flower Crown from Wet n Wild on the brow bone. So I'm just picking it up with the Morphe M501 brush. And then I will just lightly sweep this underneath the brow bone. So now I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette to work on the rest of the eyes. It's just because it has a ton of neutral colors. Like, it's insane. Like, this is one of those one-stop shop palettes for real. Alright, so let's finish up this eyes. So the first color I'm going to pick up is right here, called Butter. I'm picking this up with the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, and all you're doing is just buffing it in. This is pretty much the whole color of the lid anyways, so don't worry, this is not super time consuming by any means. So now I'm picking up this color Pookie to go on the lid. Going back in with the crease brush, I'm just blending it all together again, so it's super seamless. So on this Morphe E18, which is like a smudger brush, I'm going to take the color Pookie again and go on the bottom lash line, just like this. Now just taking a black liner, I'm going to tightline the entire eye. So I'm going to be using this NYX white eyeliner to, of course, give this look what we all noticed about it when we saw it on Instagram, that little flick of white eyeliner. So what I'm going to do to start off is just make the little wing right out here. And just use like little strokes, to be honest. So boom, we like that. Next thing you're going to do is just glide it on the lash line. Just glide it. Now, I'm going to make a little triangle and connect it out. My lashes used to not be this long. That's so crazy. I'm just doing another round to sharpen it up a bit. My lashes are pretty curly, so that doesn't exactly help the cause. But for the most part, that's exactly how I want it to come out. And again, it's just kind of going back through and just cleaning it up a bit. And like when I want this to stand out a little bit more, I'm just making small little strokes. So that way I'm just kind of just perfecting it really. So I'm just finishing this look off with mascara. It didn't seem like she was wearing falsies in the photo. Her eyes just look like kind of natural and wispy. So that's the reason why we're just opting for a little mascara today. Just hit the lower lash line now. So wrapping up the face, I'm just going to do some cheek color, highlighting, and lip color. First, starting with our blush, I'm using this one here from the Sleek Face Form kit. I just love it so much. My rich luxe voice. And I'm just using this one because it's like pretty much like a really natural flush of color. It's not too much. Like you see, like literally from here to here, you can tell the difference, but it's not overwhelming. And again, I'm just really concentrating on that higher point of the cheek than anything. Now I'm going to grab my Ginger Binge side. Just, again, a little color, but not overwhelming in glow. And now I'm going to highlight with the Moscow Mule side. Again, it's not about the product, it's about the application. So you really want to just relax the hand and just do little strokes of this product on. So it's not like boom in your face highlighter, it's just a nice glow. So again, just relaxing the hand and just doing like small round strokes for your highlighter. To connect it all together, I'm going back with the first highlighter I used from Wet n Wild, which is the Golden Flower Crown. This little guy. Her glow is like really easy today. Next for lip color, I'm going to take Max Hover and just use it just to even out my lips and keep like a warm undertone. Because I feel like it's still a little too pink, I'm actually going to use this technique of going back in with the Matchstick and Caramel and just rubbing it over. I know, it looks a little intense right now, but just trust me. Then I'm just gonna like do the truffle on the outer corners. This is actually a really good trick if you just need like a natural looking lip of just using like your concealers, so just like your highlighters and then defining with like your contour color. Love this trick. And then her lips were more like, I don't know how to say it. It wasn't matte, it wasn't like satin, I don't know. But I'm just gonna use my Fenty Gloss Bomb in the center. And again, just go in with the finger to blot it out. Okay, that's the vibe right there. Oh my God, you know that moment when it comes together and you're like, yeah. That was like a really ugly face, but you know what I mean. Jesus. I got you. I told you I got you. And then I'm gonna dab a little bit of Whirl. Just because her lips had like a little bit more of a mauve tinge. So just like I said, just do the concealer over it, like define that out, and then just add a little bit of lip color afterwards. And that way you'll get like a naturally lip. Alright, so now this whole look is done. If you want any other information, just look down below in the description box. I'll have all the products that I use, of course, as always. And then thank you again for hanging out with me. I appreciate it all. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe so you'll be a part of the tribe, and I'll catch you next time.